Can we clean this engine with Kero? Let's find out. Funnel that doesn't really fit. Oh, smells like Kero. Definitely smells like Kero. Who else wants a whiff? Whoops. Glug, glug, glug. Am I supposed to put it all in? You can tell me in the comments. Alright. Is it supposed to sound like that? Now it's got Kero in it. Do we rev the crap out of it or just let it run? It actually is quite warm. Probably the only reason why it started. Someone, not naming names, might have left the battery on. Let's see what happens. Oh, it sounds like a V8, mate. Sounds like a wet fart going through a snorkel.
Definitely.
Should we take the oil filter off while it's running, right? No. How long's it been? Has it been 10 minutes? Five minutes later. Cue the elevator music. Alright, let's grab a stack. Oh, look at that. Look at that golden brown. Is it supposed to look like that? How much oil does an alloy tech hold? Is there an extra litre of oil if you poured a litre of Kero in? And there's a lot of it. That is definitely overfull. But that is definitely cleaner than how it was when I poured some magic sauce in. If anyone wants to buy a lovely 6-speed manual for a VZ Alloy Tech, hit me up. Pedal box, wiring, box, shifter, boot, tail shaft. I've got sedan, ute, wagon, tonner. I've got every tail shaft you can imagine. I feel like we could leave this here, take it down, change the oil filter, come back and it'll still be going. You know what? We might do that. Plug down. So the real first step in doing this is actually getting your engine warm. Because if you're not draining warm engine oil, you're wasting your time. Hot engine oil might be even better. This vehicle is fitted with an oil filter in the engine bay. And it's a cartridge. And it really does look clean. New filter. New O-ring. Seal grooves down the bottom. Made that mistake once. So the engine was warm. We poured in the cleaning juice. Alright, step 7. Don't forget to put the sump plug back in. And whatever you do, do not skip 5 and 6. I hear you out there, you might want to, but don't. Just, if you missed it, rewind, go back. Alright, nip that up. Going down. This engine's going to take quite a bit of oil. Don't want to pour it in too fast. So this is step 21. Step 8. That might be a good clicking photo. Alright, so we did a warm engine. We had a look at the filter and whatnot. We've drained it, we've run it, we haven't run it. Yeah, we're about to run it. It's alive! There you go. Cleaning your engine. When are you gonna do it? Let's take